Hello everyone, welcome to our channel MF Cooking. Today we're making red velvet cookies. Enjoy the video, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell to be notified whenever we post a new video. Let's get started. For this recipe you will need cocoa powder, white chocolate chips, brown sugar, flour, granulated sugar, baking soda, salt, white vinegar, vanilla extract, liquid red food coloring, a large egg, and butter. In a bowl, begin sifting 1 1/3 cups of flour, 4 teaspoons of cocoa powder, a half teaspoon of baking soda, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. After sifting, whisk. In a separate bowl, add a half cup of softened unsalted butter, 1/4 cup of packed brown sugar, and a half cup of granulated sugar. Mix until all ingredients are combined. Add a large egg. Add 2 teaspoons of liquid red food coloring. Add 1 1/2 teaspoons of vanilla. Add 1 teaspoon of white vinegar. Mix until all ingredients are well combined. Slowly add in flour mixture and mix until combined. Be sure to scrape the sides of the bowl to ensure that all the ingredients are incorporated. Fold your cookie dough. Next, fold in 3/4 cups of white chocolate chips. Cover with plastic wrap and refrigerate for 1 to 2 hours. Preheat oven to 350 degrees. After refrigerating, remove plastic wrap. Scoop cookie dough and shape into balls. Place cookie dough on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Bake for 10 to 11 minutes. Once your cookies are finished baking, add a couple of white chocolate chips to each cookie. Allow cookies to cool for 5 to 10 minutes. And there you have it, red velvet cookies. We hope you all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And remember to tell everyone you know, them and muffins be cooking.